Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Air fryer. Innovative TurboBlaze technology delivers a powerful 3,600 RPM fan speed and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, achieving beyond crispy, juicy perfection in every main dish. Advanced airflow and precise temperature control deliver evenly cooked side dishes with perfectly balanced texture in every bite. Kosaurus' unique 5-fan speed system and precise 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit temperature control deliver professional-grade versatility, creating exceptional dishes across all functions with just one basket. Enjoy the same crispy textures as traditional deep frying with up to 95% less oil star. Enjoy all your favorite fried foods without the guilt. Included user manual, chef-created 30-recipe cookbook with pictures, cooking charts. Please be sure to check before discarding the box so you don't miss out on these helpful resources. Pressure cooker. White heavy checkmark, healthy and safe material. The DeLuban stainless steel pressure cooker is made of high-quality stainless steel, offering excellent corrosion resistance to ensure that no harmful substances are released or react with your food. Preserve the flavor of food in the healthiest way, so you can experience its true, original taste. Aluminum products may release harmful substances during high-temperature cooking. White heavy checkmark, advanced safety design. DeLuban induction pressure cookers feature innovative automatic pressure-limiting valves, self-locking valves, safety valves, and safety windows. The automatic pressure-limiting valve keeps the pressure at optimal levels during cooking. When sufficient pressure builds inside the cooker, the central rod of the self-locking valve rises, and once the pressure is released, the rod lowers, allowing the lid to be opened. If the internal pressure exceeds the safety limit, the safety window automatically releases the pressure. Deep fryer. Oil filtration system. Advanced technology automatically filters and stores oil in a sealed container, ensuring easy cleanup and cost savings through reusable oil. Enjoy hassle-free deep frying with this innovative feature. Precise temperature control. Adjust from 300°F to 375°F for optimal frying results. The thermostat ensures consistent heat, preserving authentic flavors and achieving the perfect golden brown exterior every time. Safety features. Equipped with a locking lid, large viewing window, cool touch handles, and automatic shutoff. These safety measures provide peace of mind, allowing for worry-free operation during your frying sessions. Easy cleaning. Dishwasher-safe components include the cooking basket, bowl, lid, and oil box. Experience the convenience of professional-grade deep frying at home with minimal cleanup effort required. Kitchen floor mat. Extra soft. Extra thick kitchen mats are ergonomically designed for your comfort and are perfect choice for people who spends a lot of time on their feet at work or at home. Cushion support help improve circulation and posture while maintaining the firmness needed to keep a steady footing. Water resistant. Our anti-fatigue mats are made of premium quality PVC material, making it convenient to clean up and will not collect dirt. The material repels water, oils, or stains, and if anything spills, it makes an effortless cleanup. Grid pattern surface never wrinkles and gives a premium texture without collecting debris. Non-slip. Non-slip PVC bottom is manufactured so that they do not move around like other mats, while a slight texture on the top makes them slip resistant. Rug must be placed on dry surface during use. Cream dispenser. OSJ's OK cream whipper for the professional or home chef, fully constructed with durable, sturdy 304 food-grade stainless steel, making it less reactive and retain the food color and flavor. Ideal for coffee shops, restaurants, ice cream shops, and especially pastry chefs. Double wall vacuum insulation cream stays fresh in the refrigerator for up to 10 days. Mirror polished surface and color box packaging give the product the best protection. 100% dishwasher safe. Easy cleaning and storage thanks to the brush for the most complex parts. You can get a more thorough cleaning. On the other hand, the cloth bag for the accessories will make your storage easier and more organized. Pasta pot. Twist lock handles. Strain out water seconds. Simply twist the handles and drain out the water. No strainer needed. The ultimate kitchen gadget. The Gotham Steel Pasta Pot is 3 kitchen gadgets combined into a single pot. The first kitchen gadget included is the strainer lid. Strain your pasta with the built-in strainer lid, no need for a colander. The second kitchen gadget included our twist and lock handles. Keep your hands safe with the Gotham Steel Pasta Pot's twist and lock handles. Lastly, get rid of all the sticky situations. Food comes right out of the Gotham Steel Pasta Pot with the ultra non-stick ceramic coating. Multi-purpose pot, great for pasta, spaghetti, and anything else that cooks on the stove. Use the strainer or not, this pot is designed for all types of foods and is oven safe. Toaster. Multifunctional toaster. Kickstart your mornings with fresh toast or perfectly warmed bagels with the Mueller Ultra Crisp 4-slice toaster. Features cancel, defrost, and reheat functions, self-centering slot guides, and intelligent heating technology to deliver even toasting every time. Full control. 6 browning settings let you take control of your toasting level so you can enjoy your toast exactly how you like it. Memory recall keeps your settings saved, but with sleek touch buttons and LED display, it's just as easy to switch between settings. Effortless cleaning. Toasters naturally gather crumbs, but with our removable crumb tray, maintenance is a breeze. The convenient underbase cord storage keeps your toaster compact and your countertop tidy. Crafted with premium components, this brushed stainless steel toaster is a guaranteed asset to your kitchen and a must-have for any apartment essentials list. Salad spinner. Quick push and one-handed operation salad spinner. Press the handle, the inner basket will rotate smoothly and stable at high speed, so it will separate and remove water from greens in seconds. It works equally well for left and right-handed users. Excellent design of vegetable spinner. A quick brake button allows for an immediate stop. The foldable pump handle for easy storage. The widened anti-slip silicone ring at the bowl helps the spinner stay stable during operation and protects the tabletop from getting scratched. Fully transparent design. High-quality plastic to make the whole salad spinner completely transparent. Not only is it convenient for you to see if all the water in the greens has been drained, but it is also a beautiful piece of kitchen art. Kitchen knife set. All-in-one kitchen set. 15-piece knife set includes 8 chef's knife, 8 slicing knife, 7 Santoka knife, 8 serrated bread knife, 5 utility knife, 3.5 paring knife, 6 4.5 serrated steak knives, 1 kitchen shear and hardwood knife block with built-in knife sharpener. High performance. Hunter Dual Kitchen Knife Set is stain and rust resistant and can be used with high frequency or after long periods of inactivity to fully utilize the life of the knives. Non-stick rust resistant. With a black coating that prevents oxidation of the steel, the kitchen knife set will last a long time and remain non-stick and rust resistant. Dishwasher safe. The knife set can be washed in the dishwasher, easy and quick to operate, and dry the knife set after cleaning for easy storage, not taking up space. Hand blender. No more lumpy chunks. Equipped with a strength 1100W full copper motor, providing for several times significantly stronger blending and chopping capabilities in seconds to create velvety smooth puree results. Easy-to-use variable speed trigger design. With a pulse-activated sensor, just follow your intuition to control over the recipe and reduce splattering. Getting a switch from low to high speed quickly for easy pureeing, emulsifying, or whipping with just one touch. Effortless cleanup, scratch-free. Features a unique food-grade nylon blade guard designed to minimize suction, preventing scratches on your pots and pans and keeping splashes at bay for a cleaner kitchen and hassle-free cleanup. Comfort at its best. Stylish and ergonomic grip offers a non-slip and comfortable grip when continuously blending ingredients. A perfect gift for mom, grandparents, camper, or all the food lovers on housewarming parties, weddings, birthdays, Thanksgiving Day, and Christmas.